Welcome to this PAL tutorial video. This will be a quick video just to kind of get you up and running with the system. You can see that we have the PAL Bluetooth receiver wired up to this gate operator. The receiver takes 4 wires. It takes power wire, red and black, and then relay wire, green and white. There is also a top F connector that you can use for an antenna to increase Bluetooth range. The only thing that needs to be done here on the actual receiver is the wiring with those 4 wires. Then everything else is done through the web portal and then through the app on your phone. The app that needs to be downloaded for configuration and user management is called PALGate, P-A-L-G-A-T-E, PALGate. I'll show it to you again here, right there, PALGate, P-A-L-G-A-T-E. You're going to download that app, and that's what's going to allow your customers or your tenants or your residents to trigger the gate within Bluetooth range of their cellular device. Now let's go ahead and show you how to configure this system. I've gone to the website www.pal-es.com. When I get here, I'm going to click on Web Interface Login. And this is where you're going to use the username and password that have been assigned to you to log into the system and where all of the configuration of the system will take place. Through the app, there is a dumbed down version of the web portal, but all configuration, all the main configuration should be done here on this website through the main portal. So I'm going to log in. And this is going to get you to your main screen where you're going to be able to see all of your devices and configure all of your devices and systems. If I click on devices, I can click on this Bluetooth device here. And you can see you have a map of everything around your device and a quick detail of everything that's going on with this device. The PAL Bluetooth receiver is the only PAL product that does not use a SIM card. Because this is Bluetooth, it uses and goes off of the data on your phone when you're within Bluetooth range, but all of the configuration can be done at any computer through this cloud-based web portal. I have on the left here my menu where I can select what I want to do. I've got my general information, which I'm looking at here. I've got my log where I can see a live log of what is going on with this gate, and it keeps track of any of the events that have taken place on this gate and a time and date stamp and who the user was. I can come into users, and this is where I'm going to go add all of my users. So I will add a user now. I can import or export a list of users, or I can add them manually by clicking Add. I'm going to go ahead and select United States. And then I'm going to type in a phone number. We'll get Melissa's number here. Melissa, what's your phone number? 801-367-4862. And we'll add Melissa. Now, if I click this checkbox here of admin, that would mean that when Melissa downloads the PALGate app, she would have an extra section where she can do some administration things. It is not the full administration portal like this, but it would allow her to add and delete users. So if you want her to be able to do that, you can click admin and she'll have that extra section of her app. I'm not going to do that. You can leave some notes and you can put a start and end date. So you only want her to be able to use it for a certain amount of time. Now I'm going to click Finish, and I'm going to save that information. If you leave the start and end date blank, that's forever. That'll never go away. And now Melissa has been added. You can see Melissa and Mark, or Melissa and myself are not admins, but Mark Barton is. It's got our phone number there. And you can go through and add the users. Now if I come to Settings, Settings is where I can change my relay hold time. So I've got it set to 2 seconds right now. And where I am able to share the device with people if I want to be able to do that. Because this is the Bluetooth system, the PAL Bluetooth, the only way to trigger the gate is with the Bluetooth app on your phone within Bluetooth range. And there is no 7-day timer built in because this is not a true connected device because there's no SIM card in it. Again, there's no monthly fee for this one, but you can still keep a log of who's coming and going, and you can still add users from this web portal to be able to manage and track who's coming and going. If you are looking for a device where you want to be able to open it from anywhere or use remotes or RFID tags, PAL also has those that we'll be doing tutorials on. But this one is just for Bluetooth. So now what I'll do is I'll show you this app. I'm going to come to my PAL Gate app. And you can see I have a list of a bunch of different gates that I'm allowed access to, but the one we're interested in here is this one, the PAL Bluetooth gate. And you can see green means that I am within range of that gate, and it will open when I press the little key here. If it was orange, that would mean I'm not in range, Bluetooth range, which is a nice indicator. So I'm going to go ahead and click this button. It says opening gate, please wait. Gate opened successfully, and the gate has opened. I'm going to press it again, or else we're going to get run into here. And I got ran into. Good thing we have UL safety devices. And that is how you'd operate it. So every user that you've saved, Melissa would download this app, and because I've added Melissa's phone number, as soon as she downloads this app, this will show up in her app, the Bluetooth gate relay and any other gates that she's been allowed to open. So again, a simple tutorial on the PAL Bluetooth receiver, extremely easy to use, but a great option when you have people that want to be able to open their gates with their phone. Thank you.